at him go. Whirling. Uh-oh. They started moving again. What's that stuff they're spraying out of there?
Soap.
Soap. Don't forget the soap. Hey! That's frothy. Tongue. The seaweed.
Yes.
Oh, it's squeaky seaweed. When you hear it squeaking, it's like these little mice. Can you hear the squeaky mice?
I hear it. Oh, we're close to that car ahead of us.
What?
Car ahead of us.
Squeaky mice. Nice. These guys don't get much action. Do they? Are you worried about the car ahead of us?
Yep. Close. Were you checking on the job it was doing?
What?
Were you checking on the job it was doing?
No, I wanted to see where the water was coming from. There's more tongues. These are like half lickers because they're not going as fast. They're half lickers. They don't lick as fast. They're not like in a full throttle lick. It's just a little lick. Little lick. Little lick. What's this? What is it?
Wax.
Water? Is it wax?
Wax.
Teflon. Oh, we can cook on it. Non-stick. Don't use metal spatula. Oh, there's baby bee. Are you getting the tire shine?
Should.
Look, you can hop out and go to the restroom over there. I don't think these are Hondurans.